You're eliminating the possibility that you made a mistake. You didn't go until you were confident, but you were mistaken. If you would have been correct, there would not have been a crash.
And so that is what I initially thought as well, because I was like, this is a mistake that I made. But upon further reflection and talking to the passenger in the car with me, I realized that I really genuinely did not make a mistake. The car was with the pack of cars that I felt safe enough to turn in front of. I'm not sure if this man had seen me coming, saw my turn signal, decided to, get around me or get past me, and
Which
then
he
that's
has a
what
right to do.
happened.
First of all, you're making an illegal turn. When you make a left turn onto Woodward Avenue, the statute requires you to make the left turn into the left lane. Then you can change lanes, but you can't make the left into the second or the third or the fourth lane. When you make a right turn, you have to make it into the rightmost lane. When you make a left turn, you have to make it into the leftmost lane. The statute requires that, but that is kind of honored in the breach with the Michigan left set up the way they are. However, when there's traffic on Woodward proceeding in the way that you want to go, or if you want to cross them, whichever way you're going to look at it, they have the right of way. You have to wait for them. You didn't. There was a crash. You caused the crash. You're responsible for the civil infraction of making an improper lane change. This idea that upon reflection, you can't see that it was your fault flies in the face of the reality of the situation, that you felt confident you could go. You went because you were sure it was safe. And unfortunately, you were wrong. Fine is 170. It's clear that you're responsible. There's no ambiguity there at all. If the officer hadn't testified, if I heard only your testimony, I'd have to find you responsible. Fine is $175. It can be paid online or by mail, or you could drop by the courthouse and pay it at the counter if that's more convenient for you. Thank you.